Hello class, Teacher Van here. How are you? I hope that you are excellent because we are going to do some experiments today. Hello students, today is a really cold day. No, actually it's not cold today, it's really hot, right? Anyway, write down the weather, write down on the comments, plus how do you feel today, plus what's the day today, alright? On the comments. Go. Alright, before we start, let's make a quick review of the last class, indefinite pronouns, alright? Here we go. I'm going to give you 3 indefinite pronouns and you are going to make a full sentence using those 3 indefinite pronouns, alright? The first 5 students writing down the answer in the comments are going to get an extra star. So pause the video and write it down. Go. Oh, I forgot to give you the words, right? Alright, the indefinite pronouns are some, anything, and all. Go. Congratulations if you did it already. I hope that you get the extra star, right? Right. Okay, class, I want you to raise your hand if you have seen a snowstorm. Raise your hand if you have seen a snowstorm or snow.
Incredible. I'm gonna walk in it. Wow.
Excellent. Congratulations. All right. We live in Mexico. So Mexico is a really warm place. So we don't have snowstorms. Actually, we don't have snow, or at least not in all the country. But what if I tell you that there is a way that you can see a snowstorm in your house? Will you believe me? Well, you better, because it's true. And at the same time, we're going to learn about fluid's density. What else do you want? So let's begin. Alright, class. The materials you need for this experiment are Alka-Seltzer or any effervescent pill, effervescent tablet, white paint, a jar, baby oil or any type of oil, and water. You have all this? If don't, go. I am pretty sure that you have these materials in your house. Let's do it. Alright, class, this is all the materials we need. We have the paint, the jar, Alka-Seltzer, water, and oil. Right? First thing we have to do. Alright? First thing we are going to do is to open our oil. We are going to fill it about 3/4, right? So it's going to be around here. Okay, it's a lot of oil. So we pour it. right? If you need help from your parents, please go ahead and ask. Okay, 3 or 4 is around there. Okay, so we have our jar with oil. Next step. All right, next step is to mix the water with the white paint into a container. All right, what worked for me was I poured the paint on the water and I mix it. All right, you need to mix it. Once you have it like this, you just pour the white water inside of the container with the oil. Wow, can you see that? Let's add a little bit more there. Wow. All right, so we take some pieces of the Alka-Seltzer and we're going to add it. All right, pay attention and check it out how our snowstorm began. Oh yeah, let's add another one and another one. Check it out. Pretty amazing, right?
Wow.
Look at this beautiful snowstorm in your very own house. The best thing about this is that you can add more Alka-Seltzer to start the reaction again, right? So you can put a cap on it and you can save it for later. You can activate it anytime you want. Cool, right? All right, so what do you think about the experiment? It was pretty amazing, right? Now let me give you a little explanation of what happened. So, the density of the oil is different from the density of the water. So that's why the oil is above the water and they never mixed. But when you add the Alka-Seltzer, the water starts reacting to it and creates bubbles with the white painting, and that is the effect that you are looking when you do the experiment. Pretty amazing, right? All right, don't forget to send the pictures of your experiment to the email, to the correct email, and I will see your experiments so I can check your experiments, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, give a like to this video, and comment if you liked this science experiment. And also if you want more science experiments, well, write down in the comments below, right? Don't forget to send the pictures. Oh, before I go, the riddle, okay? This is the riddle. Pay attention, all right? While I do my pose. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Think about it and write down your answers in the comments. That's it for me for this class, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.